Optimization. First, I draw a box. Inside this box, I will mark the four corners. So the length is 24 cm and the height is 9 cm. And the length of the box where the squares that we are going to cut is S. So let X be the length of the square. So if this is S, we are going to form now this one. This is the diagram of the rectangular box that we are going to form. So this is last. This is the diagram of the rectangular box that we're going to form. If babawas tayo ng 2s, it will be 24 minus 2s. So in the height, we will get 2s. So 9 minus 2s. So the 24 minus 2s will be the length, and the 9 minus 2s will be the width. And the height is s. So to get the volume, we will use L times width times height. So the value of L is 24 minus 2s, and the value of width is 9 minus 2s, and the height is s. So we need to find the derivative for critical points. So first, we need to simplify this one. 24 minus 2s. So times muna natin. 9 times s is equal to 9s. Then 2s times s equal to 2s squared. So we will use the polynomial functions. 24 times 9s, that will be 216s. 2s times 9s is equal to 18s squared. 24 times 2s squared is equal to 48s squared, and 2s times 2s squared, it will be positive 4s cubed. Bring down the 216, then negative 18s squared minus 48s squared is equal to 66s squared. Then bring down the positive 4s cubed. That the derivative of 216s is 216 only. So 66, bring down the exponent of s squared, it will be 2s, then 2 minus 1, and 4 s cubed. Bring down 3, that will be 3s raised to the power of 3 minus 1. So 216 minus 66 times 2s raised to the power of 2 minus 1, that will be 132s, plus 4 times 3s raised to the power of 3 minus 1, that will be positive 12s squared. In order to solve the critical points, we need to equate this to 0. So we need to find the common. So the common is 4. So 216 divided by 4 is equal to 54. Then 132s divided by 4 is equal to 33s. Then 12s squared divided by 4 is equal to 3s squared. So we will use factoring. So we will write 9 and 6. Then negative s and negative 3s. So next, we need to solve s. Lahat ng factors ay equate sa 0. So yung 0 equal 4 is hindi kasali. So transpose lang natin yung s, that will be equal 9. Then transpose din yung 3s is equal to 6. Then divide both side by 3. Cancel 3. And s equal to 2. So next, we need to find the interval of s. Kung pinakamaliit na value of s is 0. Then next is the maximum of 4.5. So we will have the table of values. So the first endpoint is 0. Then we will going to choose kung ano yung nasa gitna ng 0 and 4.5, so 2. Then the last endpoint is 4.5. We will find the f of s. So f of 0. So 216 times 0 minus 66 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 cube. So obviously naman na it is equal to 0.
So the next is the f of 2. 216 times 2 minus 66 2 squared plus 4 times 2 cube. 216 times 2, it is equal to 432 minus 66 times 2 squared is equal to 264 plus 4 times 2 cube is equal to 32. 432 minus 264 plus 32 is equal to 200. So the next one is f of 4.5. So 216 times 4.5 minus 66 times 4.5 squared plus 4 times 4.5 cube. 216 times 4.5 is equal to 972 minus 66 times 4.5 squared is equal to 1336.5 plus 4 times 4.5 cube is equal to 364.5. 972 minus 1336.5 plus 364.5 is equal to 0. So, hahanapin naman natin sa table of value yung may pinakamataas na value. So, the highest is S is equal to 2, then the highest volume is 200. So, gagamit naman tayo ngayon ng illustration board. So, for the length, it is 24 cm. So, for the height is 9 cm. So, yung sukat, nagugupitin ko dun sa 4 corner ng aking rectangle is 2 kasi yun yung aking nakuha sa maximum of value. So, iyon, akin na ngang nililinyahan ang aking gugupitin para ako ay makabuo ng rectangular shape. So, akin na ngang nakat yung aking illustration board. So, we are going to flip each of sides. So, here is my rectangular box.